We kept seeing a product on Facebook called GenStone. We knew we wanted to build a fireplace, so I researched the company, got a hold of the company, spoke to a sales rep by the name of Ellie, and we corresponded by phone and by email, and give her the dimensions of the fireplace we wanted to build. She calculated the items that we was going to need, the materials, and so she sent us a quote. The items was mailed to us. In shipping, we did receive a couple of items that was damaged, took pictures and sent those to Ellie, and she immediately sent replacements. Once we was finished with the fireplace, we had a few things that we did not use. Got a hold of her, she sent us labels, return labels, and boxed up and returned those, and once they received them, they refunded us. The color that we decided to go with was called Desert Sunrise, and the product cuts easy, simple to install, snaps together. The company was easy to work with. I would highly recommend them. And the sales rep we worked with was Ellie, and the product is from GenStone.